Hey guys, it's Joshua with my tech buddy here for another episode of Ask Your Buddy. And if you watched the last episode, you heard my good buddy here, Andrew, my little boy, making a little bit of noise in the background. So I thought maybe he'd like to join us for this episode. Hey Andrew, say hi. All right, good smile. Hey, this time I wanted to talk a little bit about a question that I've been getting. How do I organize my documentation? It sounds like something that's easy because we all have documentation. We all have various, Word documents and PDFs and printouts and binders. But it always feels like when you need to find that right document, it's really hard to do. Well, I can tell you what we do at my tech buddy. We use a technology that's called a Wiki. And if you've used Wikipedia, that was one of the original wikis that went out there. And basically what it is it's a web-based system that you can go into and very easily type things up, very similar to what you do in like Microsoft Word or Google Docs. But then it builds it out inside of a website. And you can link to different parts of the website, and you can search across the website. So if you know you're looking for a particular document with a particular type of data or information, how do I onboard new employees, or how do I set up the cash register every morning, whatever it is. It makes it really easy to create the documentation, to search the documentation, and to use the documentation. At my tech buddy, we use a system called Confluence. Several reasons, one of which is it's free for up to 10 users. And so, especially being a small business ourselves, we like that pricing structure. It also has one of the most user-friendly interfaces and a lot of cool things where you can extend it. So let's say you have a PDF. You can actually embed it in the web page and display the PDF right there. The other reason, we'll probably talk about this in a future video, is it ties into a system called Jira from the same company. It actually ties into a lot of different systems and programs, but Jira is also the ticketing system that we use. And we'll talk more about ticketing, I'm sure, in a future episode if somebody asks. But that integration has really made it much easier to knowledge share, especially when we're planning work and working with all of you. So if you have any questions or you check out Confluence, you'd like some help setting it up, just let me know. I'd be happy to talk through it with you. If you have any questions for your buddy, please send them in to AskYourBuddy at mytechbuddy.com. And I'll look forward to talking to you again soon. All right, Andrew, say goodbye. Thanks.